What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the Clear Cryptos Education Channel. My name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop. The man above is Mr. J. Seals. How you doing, good sir?
I am good. How are you doing out there, YouTube land?
Listen, guys, we're always here to bring you educational or updates on information, and this video is no different. The Jerome Powell speech is exactly what the market either needed or didn't need. Today, we're going to kind of discuss our thoughts on the Jerome Powell speech, what it means for markets, also what it means for crypto. So without further ado, I'll leave it over to my man, Jay Seals.
All right, so here on CNBC, we have a little bit of what Fed Powell was talking about today. You know, we really didn't get anything new from Fed Powell on the standpoint of we got to raise interest rates because, you know, the economy and inflation and the same blah stuff he's been talking about for a while now. Now, I was under the impression that he was about to tank the market. And Hobbs is going to get into the market in a little bit and what damage or lack thereof he actually ended up doing. But there was a few important things that he did touch on in terms of crypto that I thought was super interesting and very relevant to what's going on right now. And it wasn't exactly what I was expecting him to say, because when he got asked about crypto, first off, if you watch the interview, the interviewee started crypto in a very good light, actually. He was saying how he saw the potential of crypto, but he knows that there needs to be regulation and how the Fed was planning on looking at that regulation and if they had some type of plan moving forward. So when I heard him start to talk about it, my first reaction was, this might be bullish for crypto because he's leading into this already positive. And then Jerome Powell decided that he might have some other things to say, but then it turned out to be actually pretty good. But what he actually ended up saying was, look, crypto as a store of value is complete speculation. It's a speculative play, and there really is no value in crypto because it's just speculation. Now, whether or not you want to go back and forth with him on that point, that is the way he views it, which at first it didn't shock me, but it worried me for the market's sake. Then he started talking about stable coins, and he said that that's where he sees the future being, which is also kind of interesting to me because stable coins have been an issue in crypto lately. So the fact that he saw stable coins as the way forward, I think is very telling of how the US is going to go forward in cryptocurrency as an actual currency and not as a use case for a store of value.
Yeah, very interesting information that came out in regards to the Fed. I didn't really feel warm and fuzzies. I didn't really feel like he knocked us down, but he definitely didn't give us those warm and fuzzies. So let's just take a look and see how the market reacted. Yeah, so if we take a look at the charts here, you can see that the market is still open right now. We're just going to kind of check the movement of the market. As Jerome Powell was speaking, he spoke at around 8:10 my time, which was still pre-market. We didn't really want him to continue speaking through pre-market or market open, but he absolutely did. The market actually enjoyed what he was saying all the way to the point where we ran up to about the 400 level on the SPY. Directly after he finished, however, different story altogether. Had a nice big tank to the downside, but in all reality, it was kind of a nothing burger for the market, because if you look over here, the market's only up 0.18%, which tells me that the market really didn't do much in regards to movement. That being said, if he continues to speak, let's say even keel in regards to crypto, I fully expect this to eventually be bullish in crypto, because stable coins aren't going to be the end all be all. They just aren't. There's too much in crypto, too many layers to crypto for them to just ignore the entire crypto market. Regardless of what happens when regulation comes in, whatever that may look like, we'll be here to cover it here on Clear Cryptos. Guys, that's all we have in regards to Clear Crypto education. But please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live or release a video. But my name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. That man above is Jay Seals, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.